What are you laughing at? You laughing at Aunt Shannon's hiccups? Yes?
Lord. Here you
go. Okay. Thank you. You two laughing at my hiccups?
What?